So there's this street, right? Maple Street. And, well, it's very, very quiet. Too quiet, maybe. Everyone on Maple Street likes quiet. They really, really like quiet. Mrs. Green lives at number 5. She's about 70 years old, I think. Maybe 75. She has white hair and, oh, she always wears pink. Pink dress, pink shoes, pink hat, everything pink. Mrs. Green loves her garden. Every day she waters her flowers. But here's the funny thing. She doesn't use a normal watering can. No, no, no. Too noisy. The water goes splash, splash, splash. She doesn't like that sound. So what does she do? She uses a spoon. A tiny spoon. 1 spoon of water for each flower. Drip, wait, drip, wait, drip. It takes about 3 hours every morning. Her neighbor, Mr. Brown, he lives at number 7. Mr. Brown is, well, he's a quiet man, very quiet. He never talks, never, not even hello or good morning, nothing. Why? Because he thinks talking is too loud. So when people see him on the street, they wave. He waves back. That's it. Just waving, no words. One time, a new postman came to Maple Street. He said, "Good morning, Mr. Brown. How are you today?" Mr. Brown looked at him. He looked shocked, like really shocked. Then he put his finger on his lips. Shh. The postman was so confused. Now, at number 3, there's a young couple, Tom and Lisa. They moved to Maple Street last year because they wanted a quiet life. Tom works at home. He's a writer. He writes books about, I forget, something boring. History, maybe? Anyway, he needs quiet for writing. Lisa is a yoga teacher. She teaches quiet yoga. Yes, quiet yoga. No music, no talking. Everyone just breathes. In, out, in, out. Very quiet. But here's the problem. Tom and Lisa have a cat. His name is Mr. Whiskers. And Mr. Whiskers he's not quiet. Not at all. Mr. Whiskers is loud. He meows all day. Meow, meow, meow. At 6 in the morning, meow. At midnight, meow. He meows when he's hungry. He meows when he's happy. He meows when he sees a bird. He meows when he just meows all the time. The neighbors don't like this, not one bit. Mrs. Green stops watering her flowers. She looks at Tom and Lisa's house. She frowns. Mr. Brown stops waving. He just stares. His face is not happy. One day, all the neighbors have a meeting. Well, it's not really a meeting. They don't talk, remember? Mr. Brown doesn't talk. So they write notes, little pieces of paper. They pass them to each other. Mrs. Green writes, "The cat is too loud." Mr. Brown writes, "Yes, too loud." Mr. Smith from number 9 writes, "Very too loud." His English is not perfect, but okay. They all agree. Something must happen. So, what do? They write a big letter together. It says, "Dear Tom and Lisa, your cat is very loud. This is a quiet street. Please make your cat quiet. Thank you. Your neighbors." They put the letter in Tom and Lisa's mailbox. Tom and Lisa read the letter. They look at each other. They look at Mr. Whiskers. "What can we do?" says Lisa. "I don't know," says Tom. "He's a cat. Cats meow. That's what they do." They think and think and think. Lisa has an idea. Maybe we can teach him to meow quietly. Tom looks at her. How? "I don't know. Quiet yoga for cats?" They try it. They really do. They sit with Mr. Whiskers on a little mat. They say, "Breathe in, breathe out, quiet meow, quiet meow." Mr. Whiskers looks at them. Then he opens his mouth very big and meow. Okay, that doesn't work. Next, they try giving him special food. "Maybe he's meowing because he's hungry," says Tom. They buy expensive cat food, the good stuff, chicken, fish, everything. Mr. Whiskers eats it all. He's very happy. Then, meow, meow, meow. He meows even more now. Tom and Lisa they're desperate. They don't know what to do. Then, one morning, something strange happens. It's very early, maybe 5 o'clock. The sun is coming up. Mr. Whiskers goes outside. He walks down Maple Street. He stops at Mrs. Green's garden. There's a mouse, a little gray mouse, eating Mrs. Green's flowers. Mr. Whiskers sees it. He doesn't meow. No, he's very quiet, like a hunter. He watches, watches, watches. Then, jump, he catches the mouse. Don't worry, he doesn't hurt it. He just carries it away, far away. Mrs. Green sees this from her window. Her mouth opens. "Oh," she says, very quietly, of course. The next day, Mr. Whiskers does it again. Another mouse. And the day after that, another one. Mrs. Green's garden has no more mice now. Her flowers are safe. She's happy, very happy. She writes a note to Tom and Lisa. "Your cat is a good cat. Thank you." Then something else happens. Mr. Brown has birds in his roof. Pigeons. They make noise. Coo, 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 all day. Mr. Whiskers climbs up. He doesn't catch the pigeons. No, no, no. He just sits there and stares at them. The pigeons get scared. They fly away. Mr. Brown sees this. He actually smiles. Nobody sees Mr. Brown smile very often. He writes a note. "Good cat." Soon, all the neighbors love Mr. Whiskers. When he meows now, they think, "Oh, that's our cat, our neighborhood cat. He protects us." Mrs. Green gives him treats, little pieces of fish. Mr. Brown waves at him. That's a lot for Mr. Brown. The couple at number 11 leave out a bowl of milk for him. Mr. Whiskers he's the king of Maple Street now. And you know what's funny? He still meows all the time. Meow, meow. But now nobody minds. They actually like it. Well, almost nobody. There's one person who doesn't like it. A new man moved to number 13. His name is Mr. Peterson. He's young, maybe 30 years old. He comes from the city, a big, noisy city. He moved to Maple Street because he wanted quiet. On his first night, he hears meow, meow, meow. He can't sleep, not at all. The next morning, he looks terrible. His eyes are red, his hair's messy. He sees all the neighbors. They're smiling, they're happy, they're giving treats to Mr. Whiskers. Mr. Peterson is confused, very confused. "Excuse me," says Mrs. Green. "Why is everyone so happy about this loud cat?" Mrs. Green smiles. "Oh, you're new here. Welcome to Maple Street." But the cat is so loud, and I thought this was a quiet street." "It is a quiet street," says Mrs. Green, "the quietest street in town." "But the cat, Mr. Whiskers? Oh, he's not loud. He's just talking. It's nice. We like it." Mr. Peterson stares at her. He doesn't understand, not at all. Mr. Brown walks past. He doesn't say anything. Of course not. He never does. But he pats Mr. Whiskers on the head. Mr. Peterson shakes his head. "I don't understand this street," he says. Mrs. Green laughs. "You will," she says. "Give it time. This is a very quiet street. You'll see." And that's the story. Maple Street is still very quiet. The quietest street in town. Well, except for one cat. But that's okay, because on Maple Street, some noises are allowed. The good noises, the friendly noises, the meow noises.